stupid game.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Looks like you're gonna need a brand new carpet from Bloomsburg Carpeting because it's a pretty bad stain.
Here we are at Bloomsburg Carpeting, so I guess you could say, what's so cool about manufacturing? Here at Bloomsburg Carpeting, we have some of the finest carpets on the market currently. We have service places like Hard Rock Casino and even the White House. So if the government can trust these people, I'm sure you can too.
Our product is a very good product. It's a very quality material. It lasts for years and years and years. My name is Kevin Gordon. I'm the Director of Manufacturing. I oversee production on day shift, second shift, and third shift. Any safety issues typically will come to me. Quality issues will come to me as well. And just working with everyone, trying to make the best product we can.
I am a designer and a brand manager. What I love about my job is that I can do all sorts of different things every single day, so I never have the same day twice. Whether it's designing brand new patterns like geometric patterns or florals, or working with social media and writing captions and promoting posts, or doing a lot of photography, which is what my background is in, photographing all the products we have and updating the website. It's just so many responsibilities, but it's never a boring day.
Working with all the different people out on the manufacturing floor, it's very rewarding making a product, sending that product out the door, and giving it to a customer so they can appreciate the product that you've made.
I think Mom's really gonna like this new carpet from Bloomsburg Carpet.